y'all, it's Pookie. How y'all doing? How's everybody doing? Great, I bet. I hope. I am famished, so I'm gonna eat. Today we are eating. I forgot what. Today we are eating sushi and spring rolls. This is a temptation roll because you might be tempted to eat the shit out of it. Oh, I'm tempted, all right. This is a Philadelphia roll. No, it's not a California roll. It's Philadelphia. Why? Probably because there's Philadelphia cream cheese up in there. And then these are spring rolls. These spring rolls are with shrimp. So I got me some shrimp in there. It comes with some peanut sauce. I got my own Kikkoman soy sauce. It's the bomb diggity. And a plate to put the soy sauce up in there. I don't use these because 9 times out of 10 they taste like crap. Or actually they don't taste like crap. They just taste real mild like, if you will. I'm just going to take these and consolidate them all into one. Except this one, because I'm not going to eat all 4 spring rolls because I'm going to be full. I'm not a big fan of these. If you taste these, you're stupid. I'm just kidding. Not stupid. No offense, just kidding. These are decorations. And to be honest, their wasabi and ginger don't look too bright, so I'm not a fan of ginger anyway, nor wasabi, so I ain't too concerned about that. So I got a drink too. A&W Diet A&W root beer. I'm gonna open that up. Yeah. Cheers, y'all. This is ultimate to go with this. Just kidding. Not really. I'm not really sure how I should set this up. Maybe I'll do it like this. There. Booyah! Alright, I'm going to go for the not so flavorful one, these Philadelphia rolls. They are good, but they're kind of bland or boring compared to that. And if you, I say I'm going to go for those first because, I don't know, I believe in saving the best for last. That's what I do. Like if I have like some yakisoba noodles and shrimp, I will eat all the noodles and save the shrimp for last because I love it. Does anybody else do that? Okay. Y'all just don't know how much I love sushi. To be honest with you, Vietnamese is my favorite cuisine. And I was going for that. By the way, this doesn't have the crunch, the cucumber in it, so I'm a little frustrated. That would probably be a roll from California, not Philadelphia. Oh, shoot. Here. Well, shoot. I'm making a mess. Probably on the floor too. My only napkin. Alright, that did not happen. Is it on your face? Anyway, what was I saying? I don't know. Wasn't important. Okay. I think I was saying my favorite cuisine is Vietnamese food. And if you haven't tried it, you should. The vermicelli noodles is like, it's like they usually put it all together in a bowl with some mint or ginger, mint and bean sprouts. I can see how that is a temptation roll. Anyway, it's got peanuts in it, stuff like that. Well, I had that on the brain. this morning. I was like, I need to do a mukbang today. So for lunch, I'm going to have Vietnamese food. Well, they don't have a Vietnamese restaurant in this podunk town, nor sushi, but I was going to a bigger town. And I looked it up. So after I did my volunteer work this morning, I went over there to the only Vietnamese restaurant in town. There's a story here. Stupid restaurant was closed. They closed down. I guess country folk don't like this kind of food. Am I wrong? I don't know. I guess it's an acquired taste for some. I know you're probably supposed to, I've seen on some mukbangs, you're supposed to dip the fish side in the soy sauce, whatever. Oh, let's touch the wasabi. Anyway, I eat this the way I want to eat it, because it's all going to go in my mouth. I prefer to have like some cucumber in there because it gives that crunch that I like. This is like a peanut kind of sauce. Peanut dipping sauce for the spring rolls. I'm not using chopsticks for this big roll. I'm going to use my fingers. For those of you who don't know, I need to put like a plastic tarp down, seriously. These are like some kind of vermicelli type rice noodles. It's got lettuce, shrimp, and maybe that's all. A lot of them noodles, that's for sure. It won't even fit in this thing. I have to do it on the side. These are so good. Look, I said I wasn't going to eat all 4 of these. You see how big these are. We'll just see what my mood is. That is not supposed to happen. Seriously, these little noodles are going everywhere. It's ridiculous. I can't catch them. They're just falling out. I'm gonna try to shove this in my mouth, y'all. Look at that. Now I got all those in my soy sauce. Excuse me. Ooh, that'll add flavor, because these don't have a lot of flavor. These noodles have no flavor. But that's okay. I'm down with this. Like I said, it all goes in the same place anyway. Oh yeah. So y'all, I was watching my last video, the mukbang that I did in the car. I'm like, man, Pookie, you looking chunky there. I know I'm not little bitty tiny, but something in that video, I was like, something, like I look swollen more than just being the fat that I am. So I checked my weight. It was up a few pounds. And I knew where it was. It was all on my face. So, I don't know what happened. A couple of days later, I'm back to the normal Pookie. Us women, sometimes, you know, we retain water and all that. And that might have been what it was. But that was ridiculous. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. See, I'm kind of back to normal, but I think I'm going to try to start eating a little better. Not really healthy on my mukbangs, because I think healthy mukbangs can be boring. So y'all, take a look. See if I can not drop this. I don't really know what's in the center here, to be honest with you. I don't know what kind of meat this is or fish, other than good. It's called a temptation roll. Crab stick, whatever that is. It's basically fake crab meat. And here is what the Philadelphia roll looks like, which is very simple. There's seaweed, avocado, cream cheese, and fake, look, I'm gonna fix it that way, fake imitation crab, I guess. Pretty good though, still good. One day my sister and I went to a Chinese market and we got seaweed, we got these rice wrap things, and shrimp, lettuce, avocado, cucumbers, fake crab meat, and we did this, we did these, like we had a whole day where we just cooking it all up. It was so good, but we were full because we were eating while we were cooking. It was the bomb. I ain't gonna lie. It'd be my luck I'd spill this. So anywho, oh, I have to do shout outs. I have 3 new shout outs. So I was gonna shout them out. Shout. Okay. First one is from Amanda Sweetheart. Yo, Amanda, what's up? She made some comments on my videos, really good comments, very positive, very happy. Amanda is a sweetheart. That's probably why her username is Amanda Sweetheart. Just a guess. I have one of these. Alright, next up is Claudia Cardenas. Or, as white folk might say, Claudia Cardenas. I probably did it wrong. It's not a white folk. I don't know. Anyway, Claudia, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you supporting my channel. Okay, I'm down to this. I'm having some issues with it, so I'm going to do it like this. There's a shrimp tail at the end. I know how to work these. You guys are pretty awesome. I say this in about every video because I mean it. Shrimp, whatever shell. I really do like your comments. And I appreciate you watching my video and subscribing to my channel, and the comments just make me happy. They do. And the next one is from Night Owl. I can tell Night Owl is a night owl because all her comments came through at nighttime. I was in bed and they were still coming in like 4 in the morning and stuff. Night Owl must not sleep very well, and I'm sorry for that. But she left me. She found my channel and left me comments on most of my videos. I don't have that many videos. It was great to read them all. She's a really sweet lady. I can tell people are sweet by what they comment. That's right. And I haven't had any hater comments lately. Alright, y'all, let's see if I can keep this under control here. I'm going to try this once again. But I'm going to hold it tight this time. Like, maybe I'll hold it like this. That's, excuse me, stupid, but it ain't going to get loose that way. Oh, God. It's busting out the bottom side. I've had these before many times. This is the worst wrapped up ones I've ever dealt with. I mean, the ones I did it myself, that time I told you me and my sister did, were way better than this. Oh, it tastes good, but it's a hot mess. But it's so good. Okay. That was way too much of a bite. Take some of that to wash it down. And when I laughed, some of the little news went up my nose. So, man, this napkin's a mess. Alright. Back to taking. I don't know if you can see, but this is almost done. I'm going to put this over here so you can see that. That's what's left. Move this out of the way. So there you go. Let's see. My back hurts. Excuse me, that one sounded rumbly or wet. So sorry, y'all. Yeah, I've been having this lower back pain, so that like when I sit down I'm okay for the most part once I get comfortable. But then when I stand up, to straighten up straight from a 90-degree angle, it's real like sore on my lower back. And so Sugar Plum Yum Yum kept saying go see a doctor. Because it was hurting for about a week. And I made the appointment. He couldn't see me though till Monday, which is today, Saturday. And so like Thursday it was feeling better, and Friday I was like, okay, it's kind of starting to go away. And then I partly thought about canceling my appointment, but I was like, no, I should go in anyway. But when I got home Friday, I got off of work at 4. I was home by 4:10. I changed my clothes. I got in my bed, watched TV, and fell asleep all night long. I was kind of in a funk, but I woke up this morning, my back was more sore, and I know why, because I was on my lazy back all day, or all afternoon. By the way, I think I might have mentioned I play poker. I played in a tournament that I play usually every Thursday night. I came in first. Out of about 16 people. Oh, that was good. It's funny because I said I was in a funk like yesterday. The funk started Thursday. And so when I went there, it was at a bar. I was like, give me a drink and keep them coming. And she laughed at me because she was like, you know you have a 2-drink limit. Because I usually drink like a rum and coke there. And 2 drinks makes me feel pretty good. 3 makes me feel real good. And that's the only time I drink, if I do drink. So, one of my buddies bought me a drink. My poker friends. And then I bought the next 2 drinks. And before I realized it, I was at the final table. One person got up and I was like, huh, there's only 4 of us left. So then one person went out and there was 3. I was like, y'all want to split the pot? The pot's usually about $100. So I thought 3 ways, that's 33 bucks each. What? But I was short stacked. And that just means I have less chips. Because everybody, the other 2 people had this much chips. So the guy across from me is like, let's just wait and play a few more hands and see. Like, okay. I was not trying to win. I was there to be in the presence of friends and to get stuff off my mind, because I have stuff on my mind. So, anyway, I don't know what happened. Before I knew it, I had all their chips. One guy went out, and the guy said he wanted to wait a few more hands. I was like, hey, you want to split now? I'm chip leader. I got you beat. He said, you're right, you do. He said, how about 60-40? I said, sounds good to me. Usually it's kind of courtesy that you split the pot with the final 2 at that place. So I got $60, he got 40. I took 20, played cash game, and lost that and went home. But, yeah. Excuse me. Things are looking okay for me. Excuse my mess. Just ignore this is here. I don't have a lot of sugar plum yum yum talk. We saw each other a couple times this week, and it's been good. Just haven't seen him much. We just went out to eat and whatever. He's still a sweetheart. He has no idea I do these videos. He knows I have a YouTube channel. He doesn't know what channel it is. And I actually have another channel that's like, I don't know. I don't use it all the time. I blog my life. I don't know what I'm doing with that channel. But anyway, I think that's the one he thinks of. I don't think he knows about the MUKBANG channel, but he has no idea I talk about him. Everybody seems to like him. He's really a sweetheart. I miss not seeing him as much. We have some stuff we're dealing with. So we're still talking and all that, but he's got to he's got to be away for a little bit, and I don't know. We're not broken up by any means, but we're not able to see each other for a little while, and I'm just kind of a little worried that I might lose him because of that. So I am waiting for him because I adore the shit out of the man. and I hope he will do the same, because he says he adores me. Anyway, that's why I'm in a funk. It's not like like I said, we're not broken up or anything. It's just stuff has to be handled, and it's stuff beyond my control, stuff he has to handle, and hopefully he'll handle it soon and we can move forward. But I kind of had to put my foot down on some things, and I'm sad, but even though I made the decision, it's still hard. But he's a freaking awesome guy. I'm probably not going to go to the game with him next weekend just because of all this. But anyway, that's it. I've got these 2 spring rolls left. I'm not going to eat them. I'm too full. Plus, they're a freaking hot mess. Just saying. I appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. Thank you so much for all the support you give me. The comments that you leave are such kind words. You know, very encouraging and positive, and I appreciate it. If you don't comment, do it. Do it. It's fun, I promise. I love just reading through them. They're fun. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great week. I'm not sure when I'll do another mukbang. It probably won't be that long. Pretty sure of it because I like to eat. All right. Take care, y'all. Bye.